Hi everyone, and welcome to Ana Dialogue, the dialogue on analog music reproduction. Today we're going to talk about phase and correct polarity. It's going to be a short video, but a pretty important tweak. Let's take a look. So today we're going to explore a very quick tweak to our hi-fi system. What am I talking about? Well, putting in phase our power cables, our plugs, our mains filters, our wall sockets. This might have a certain impact on your system, or it may not. It depends. It depends a little bit. I suggest to try because it's worthwhile and it's very easy to do. So, actually, what is putting in phase? What is finding the correct polarity of your cables, AC cables or plugs? Well, it simply means try to find which pole, or if we have a power plug in your wall, for example, which is the correct hole that has the power, where the power is actually passing through. So, obviously, this does not regard plugs like the English plugs, which have 3 poles. You're not going to get that wrong, obviously. But if we're talking about a Schuko plug or other European types of plugs, obviously we're gonna need some help in that. If we find the correct polarity alignment, the hot pole of your cable with the hot pole of your plug, then we're going to have some benefits in the sound reproduction. At least that's what a lot of people say. I must say that from my experience, I had some benefits, nothing incredible, but I think it's worthwhile because, as I said, it's something very easy to do, so might as well try it. Although, there are some methods, some tools that can help us in doing this, because if there isn't something described on the cable that indicates where is the hot pole or on the plug, obviously you're not going to have it on your wall power sockets. You're going to need some tools to do that. The most basic tool of all, which you may have heard of, is this little screwdriver, which reveals when its light bulb inside turns on where the phase is. Obviously, you have to put the final part of the screwdriver where the electric current is passing. Close the circuit with a part of your body, with your finger in this case, and see if it turns on in the respective holes. But although this is kind of dangerous, sometimes it's not very accurate. So the best thing to do, if you really want to know where is the hot pole in your cables or in your plugs, is something, for example, like this. This is a product of Systems and Magic. Disclaimer: I do not have anything to do with them. I think their products are excellent, and that's why sometimes I talk about them. That's it. Close disclaimer. So, what does this do? It's very simple. You put your cable inside. See, we have an IEC part of the cable. Most hi-fi cables already come like this. If you have your cable attached firmly, you cannot detach it from your gear, then you cannot do this test, unfortunately. Although I must say that good quality pieces of equipment do have removable cables, so you can put your own high quality cable. So in this case, see, you put your plug and it reveals where is the hot pole, where the electric current is passing. At this point, a good idea is to put a little dot or something to indicate where is the hot pole, and then at that point you must search the hot pole in the wall socket or your power strip, or in a double plug like this or something like that, because otherwise you're gonna keep on having that mistake. Once you have everything aligned correctly with the correct polarity, you should have some improvements in your sound reproduction. Another tool, very useful, to know where the correct polarity is in your power sockets in your wall, in your house, is something like that. Again, this is a product of Systems and Magic. You just put it in the wall and the light tells you if on this side is passing electric current, if the hot pole is here, or if it's not. A different kind of light will turn on. Green if it's okay, red if it's on the other side, yellow if it has a double phase, and also that kinds of issues, and more on. But apart from that, we just want to know if we are putting our cables in our power strips, in our main filters, or our wall sockets in the correct way in order to have all the benefits of having a homogeneous flow of electric current, which should at least give a better imprint in our music. Well, try them out, try this, tell me if you have any problems, and I hope you liked this video, guys. This was a short one. Hope to see you soon. Bye!